Welcome. In front of me I have the Samsung Galaxy Smart Monitor M7, and today I will show you how you can actually wirelessly connect this device with, for instance, your computer. So to get started, you don't actually need any kind of application for it, although it might make it simple. Though, because I don't really like installing trash on my computer, I prefer to go the harder way without actually needing to install anything. So on the controller itself, or the monitor, using the remote, you want to navigate to sorry for that, navigate to sources. So simply scroll to the side and then select connecting guide. For some reason, if you don't open the connecting guide, it never shows up, so that's something that you need to keep in mind. And from here we're going to select, in this case, PC and screen sharing wireless. So once this is open, as you can see, it gives you a quick guide right here how you can connect to it. So Windows 8, this is for basically Windows 8, where you have the devices little button on the side. For Windows 10, all you need to do is click on this icon. It's always visible in the bottom of your taskbar to the right, and when you go to the next page, it shows you that you basically then select on Windows 10 the connections right here, and it will start searching for them. Now I already have it open on my end, so I'm not going to really do anything extra. Now on Windows 8 or 8.1, when you go to the devices, it shows you right here what is this, project, and it should in both cases just find the monitor in there. So I'm going to quickly grab my mouse and select the monitor right over here. As you can see, it starts connecting, and there we go. So this is right now running wirelessly. That's kind of why it's not, the mouse isn't really moving super smoothly. It is skipping. Obviously it is limited in certain cases just to the Wi-Fi that it's using. Additionally, the devices, both of them, need to be on the same network, and one additional caveat is it won't always work. Now it works with my computer just fine without any kind of problem, but as an example, I tried it with a ThinkPad, different one, a newer version of it, and that didn't actually want to connect for some odd reason. Now I'm not exactly sure if it was because of the resolution being higher. This right now is running at 1080p, so it could be the limitation of high resolution not being able to connect, but 1080p seems to be working just fine, though this is just a simple guess. It could just be incompatible for some reason, even though this is also a ThinkPad that I'm connecting to. So anyway, that's how you could project your screen to this monitor wirelessly. Additionally, you can also do this with your cell phone, and I'll show that in I guess next guide if it actually will work. And yeah, so I guess that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.